I need you all to stop what you're doing and watch this video from Chicago, Illinois. Please watch it and then come back at the end because there are a couple of really important takeaways.
Yeah! Hit and run! Hit and run! That's a hit and run! Hit and run! Hit and run! That's a hit and run! Hit and run! Hit and run! Look, hey, watch out with that weapon! That weapon! Yo, watch out! What's wrong with you? You hit it! You hit her! Yo! What's wrong?
You hit her!
You hit her! You guys hit her! You guys hit her! What's wrong with y'all?
Y'all hit her?
Y'all bust a whole U-turn in the middle of the street! Y'all hit her! Y'all on camera! Leave her alone! She ain't even do shit! She trying to go to work! She's trying to go to work!
What the fuck?
Oh, what? Y'all some crazy. Y'all got no heart, for real. No heart. No heart.
Get off! Get off!
She's a female.
Get off of her right now!
You guys hit her. How you guys gonna arrest her?
Get off!
You guys hit her. Man, how y'all gonna arrest her, man? Oh, bogus as
Get
fuck.
off her! What's it?
You hit her. You guys hit her. You guys hit her. Whole lawsuit right there.
Y'all gonna get y'all issue though, believe that. I'm telling you. Don't get your issue. Keep fucking around in Chicago. Keep fucking around in Chicago. Hey, baby girl, you good. Don't worry about it.
Stop
Don't
resisting.
worry about it. We need that information, bro.
Ah, bogus as fuck.
ICE in Chicago, while flipping a U-turn, rammed a woman's car while she was on her way to work. According to Courier News, she was a U.S. citizen. You notice that ICE jumped out of their car with firearms drawn, lethal weapons drawn against an American citizen who they hit with their vehicle. They forcibly dragged this terrified woman from her car, pinned her to the ground, and arrested her. I want you to notice they are not Mirandizing people. ICE is not reading people their Miranda rights. This is a fucking nightmare. This is the United States of America. And on your way to work, ICE can slam into your car, point weapons at you, drag you out of your car, handcuff you, haul you off, not read you your rights, disappear you off the street. Your family doesn't know what's happened to you. This is what it means to be a United States citizen in Illinois in 2025. And Donald Trump wants to do this everywhere, in every city, in every community. They want to obliterate our rights. They want to put us in a state of constant terror, where ICE is free to do shit like this. These fail sons who couldn't get into any other branch of law enforcement. Nobody else wants these fucking chuddies because they're totally unqualified. They don't know the law. They have no emotion regulation. They are entirely unskilled. I have posted video after video after video of ICE fucking shit up, panicking, pulling their weapons on unarmed women like this woman here. Completely emotionally dysregulated, out of control. ICE is out of control. This is not law enforcement. These are not legitimate operations. This is terror. This is Donald Trump's brown shirts waging war on Americans as we are trying to go about our lives. I don't know what has happened to that woman yet. If I get an update, I will definitely post it. A couple of things I just want to say here really quickly. Again, I know that any of us in that situation are going to struggle very hard to remain calm. Please understand that ICE is looking for any excuse to trump up resisting arrest charges against you. You saw how she was wiggling, she was pulling her legs, boom, they're going to slap her with a resisting arrest charge, I guarantee it. Even when all of the other charges are dropped because ICE rammed her with their car on her way to work. ICE rammed her. So it's really important, if you can at all in a situation like this, do not resist. I really appreciated the gentleman who was filming at the end telling her, don't resist. If they start to arrest you, they are going to haul you off. That's going to happen. It's really important that you don't give them any ammunition to upcharge you with something like resisting arrest, or like if you're flailing and you accidentally knock an officer, they're going to charge you with assault. We've seen that over and over. So I know it's so hard when you're panicking, when you're being brutalized, when your rights are being violated, when you are just trying to live your life as a regular, everyday woman in America, and armed, masked men hit you with their vehicle, jump out of the car, point guns in your face, and drag you off. I know it's unbelievable that this is what we're talking about in the US. Like, stay calm and try not to get a resisting arrest charge when you have done nothing wrong. So that's the first thing. I appreciate the bystander telling her, like, don't resist. It is perfectly legal for us to be documenting. We all should be documenting. Thank you to all of the bystanders who were there filming, because now there is evidence that will be used in court to get this woman freed. But also having other people around her, telling her, reminding her what her rights are. It's perfectly legal for you to tell somebody who is being assaulted by ICE what their rights are. I said in a video a couple of days ago, it's really important that if you see something like this happen, you remind that person, you invoke your right to remain silent. Invoke your right to an attorney, invoke your right to remain silent. They're not Mirandizing people, but you still have those rights. And then urge people not to resist. You are absolutely allowed to document. You should be documenting. We have to get evidence. We know that ICE there have been multiple instances of Donald Trump's DOJ and ICE agents who have not been truthful with the courts. I know that traditionally the court has seen testimony from law enforcement and from the Department of Justice as inherently credible. We can't have that expectation in 2025, but we as civilians cannot be assured that the court will not still maintain that expectation. We have to have documentation. We have to document everything. We have to have each other's backs. Now, I appreciated also the gentleman at the end that was like, don't worry, baby girl, like, we got you. We've got it all on film. We have to take care of each other. We have to defend each other's rights. We have to document so that we can make sure that people are not charged with crimes they did not commit, because ICE is trying to. They're trying to put people in prison. They're manufacturing charges. The incompetence of ICE in that video, they wanted to turn into a situation where they don't have to be like, oh shit, we don't know what we're doing. We're totally incompetent fail sons. No, they want to turn the blame onto a woman and ruin her entire life. If you get into a situation like this, if you are in any part of a scenario like this, be documenting, remain calm, remind everybody there of their rights, and please follow up. They left that woman's car and belongings. Again, we don't know what's happened to her yet. We have to engage in mutual aid. We have to take care of each other. We have to have solidarity with each other right now. Who keeps us safe? We keep us safe. Who is going to save us from this nightmare that we're living now? We, the American people. Governor Pritzker, where the fuck are you defending your citizens of your state? Same thing, Tina Kotek here. Who is defending the civilians of your state from the brutality, the illegality, the lawlessness, the terror of ICE? How much longer are we, the American people, going to tolerate this? Because this cannot be the new normal. This absolutely cannot be normalized in the United States. None of us will submit to living under conditions like these. Please, y'all, we cannot watch these videos and just be horrified, moved to tears, outraged. We have to be moved to action. We have to take action. Now is the time we need to be organizing. It is a mass public opposition of regular, ordinary, everyday people that is going to stop this. It is a numbers game. It is all of us coming together and collectively exercising our power. We have to organize. We cannot just sit and watch and be frozen in horror. We must act, because this cannot and will not be normalized in the US.